In this video, I will show you how to auto-save or auto-backup all your Android phone contacts into your Google account with these simple settings. Let me show you how. First thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you open your Android phone settings. Open up your settings. And the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you look for Google. Click on Google right here. And the next thing you want to do right here is to go ahead and proceed with your Google account. So I'm going to click on this one right here and switch this Google account right here. And the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and proceed with your Google account. Then go ahead and click on Google account right here. Then here you go. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and scroll down right here. And then make sure you go to people and sharing right here. Click on that. And then it's going to take you right here. At this point here, contact info from device. Go ahead and click on this one that is turned off right here. And all you have to do is to simply turn on this button right here and you are done. It's that simple. With that, save contact info from your signing in device, all the contact info you have saved so far, and the current one you will continue to save is going to be backed up into this Google account. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.